Ever wondered about the unsung heroes of the seas? Meet the masters that silently guide giants through treacherous waters and tight spots. That's right, tugboat titans. Join us as we explore the fascinating and impressive capabilities of the world's most powerful tugboats. So let's get started. First on the list, first tugboat. The Charlotte Dundas, built in 1802 in Scotland, is widely regarded as the world's first practical steamboat and the first steam-powered tugboat. Designed by engineer William Symington, the Charlotte Dundas was used to tow barges along the Forth and Clyde Canal. Despite initial skepticism, the performance in towing heavy loads upstream against strong currents marked a significant milestone in maritime engineering back in that time. Second on the list, tow lines. Tow lines and hawsers are essential components of tugboat operations, serving as the vital link between the tug and the vessel being assisted. Made from high-strength synthetic materials or steel, these lines are designed to withstand immense tension and stress. The selection of the appropriate tow line is crucial, considering factors such as the size of the vessels, weather conditions, and the nature of the operation. Proper maintenance and regular inspections of tow lines are necessary to ensure safety and reliability. The effectiveness of a tugboat's tow line directly impacts its ability to maneuver and control large ships, especially in challenging environments. Third on the list, harbor tugboats. Harbor tugboats are specialized vessels designed to assist ships in ports and harbors. Their primary role is to help larger ships dock, undock, and navigate through the crowded or narrow waterways. Harbor tugs are characterized by their compact size, powerful engines, and exceptional maneuverability, enabling them to perform precise movements in tight spaces. Equipped with advanced towing equipment and fender systems, these tugboats ensure the safe handling of cargo and passenger ships, preventing accidents and facilitating efficient port operations. Harbor tugs are indispensable in modern maritime logistics, playing a crucial role in the smooth functioning of ports around the world. Fourth on the list, firefighting capability. Many tugboats are equipped with firefighting capabilities, making them valuable assets in maritime emergency response. These firefighting tugboats are outfitted with powerful water cannons, foam generators, and other specialized equipment to combat fires on ships and in port facilities. In the event of a fire, these tugboats can quickly reach the scene, using their high-pressure water jets to extinguish flames and prevent the fire from spreading. Their agility and robust construction allow them to operate close to burning vessels, providing crucial support to fire crews and reducing the risk of catastrophic damage. Firefighting tugboats enhances maritime safety, protecting lives, property, and the environment. Fifth on the list, azimuth thrusters. Azimuth thrusters are a revolutionary propulsion technology used in modern tugboats to enhance their maneuverability and efficiency. Unlike traditional fixed propellers, azimuth thrusters can rotate 360 degrees, providing thrust in any direction. This capability allows tugboats to perform complex maneuvers with precision, such as turning on the spot or moving sideways. Sixth on the list, engine dynamic. Tugboats are renowned for their powerful engines, which provide the necessary force to tow or push large vessels. These engines can produce up to 5,000 horsepower or more, allowing tugboats to handle immense loads and perform demanding tasks. The speed of a tugboat varies depending on its design and purpose, but can go as fast as 15 knots. But they typically operate at relatively low speeds, prioritizing power and maneuverability over velocity. Despite their modest size, tugboats can generate tremendous pulling and pushing power, making them indispensable for assisting large ships, conducting salvage operations, and performing various other maritime duties. Seventh on the list, ice-breaking. Ice-breaking tugboats are specially designed to operate in icy waters, ensuring that shipping lanes remain navigable during winter months. These tugboats feature reinforced hulls and powerful engines that enable them to break through thick ice, creating a path for other vessels to follow. Ice-breaking tugs are crucial in regions where sea ice can obstruct maritime traffic, such as the Arctic and Antarctic, as well as in northern ports during cold seasons. Their ability to navigate and clear ice-covered waters helps maintain trade routes and ensures the safe passage of ships in harsh, frozen environments. Eighth on the list, Island Victory. The Island Victory is renowned as one of the most powerful tugboats in the world. Built by Vard and delivered to Island Offshore in 2020, this state-of-the-art anchor-handling tug supply vessel is designed to excel in demanding offshore operations with its cutting-edge technology. Its immense power and advanced features enable it to perform complex tasks with remarkable efficiency and reliability, making it a critical asset in the offshore industry. Ninth on the list, Rescue Mission. Tugboats are often called upon to participate in rescue missions, providing critical assistance to ships in distress. Whether responding to mechanical failures, collisions, or severe weather conditions, tugboats are equipped to tow disabled vessels to safety, prevent them from drifting into hazardous areas, and support evacuation efforts. Tugboats play a vital role in maritime search and rescue operations, ensuring the safety of crew members, passengers, and cargo. Their presence enhances overall safety and offers a lifeline to ships in need. 10th on the list, Tugboat Ballet. The term tugboat ballet describes the synchronized and precise movements of multiple tugboats working together to maneuver a large vessel. This intricate dance involves careful coordination and communication between the tugboat captains and the ship's pilot to achieve smooth and efficient maneuvers. The skill and expertise required for this choreography highlight the proficiency of tugboat crews and their ability to execute complex maneuvers with grace and precision. Tugboat Ballet showcases the artistry and teamwork inherent in maritime operations. What a journey it's been today in the world of tugboats. These versatile vessels play a crucial role in maritime operations. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Top 10 Lowdown. And remember, every great ship needs a trusty tugboat by its side. See you next time.